Hello. A regular camera is low battery though, so I thought I'd do this in a vlog style. And actually going to get a chair because this is just awkward. This is my first time selling to Plato's Closet. I have worked in a similar environment before, so I feel like I kind of have that edge in a way as to how it all works and what I'm pretty sure they will accept based on what my experience was. I thought I would take you along and see how it goes. I've got 3 bags. I kind of did keep to the season, so stores are selling fall stuff, so I've got a mixture of fall, kind of almost into winter stuff. They say on their website that they accept all seasons, and I'm not sure if maybe if they're full on inventory summer-wise that they won't be taking that as much. Yeah, I've got a variety of stuff. I'm going to count it and write down everything I have. I think, whoa, I was really blown out there. Okay, that's better. I'll just hold it. Yeah, I'm going to basically take inventory just for my own purposes and to keep track of things. They suggest on their website to also either put your things in boxes, reusable bags, or, oh yeah, a laundry basket. First off, I think garbage bags don't look that good and don't give you a good first impression as a seller. Other things to note, they have all of their information on there. Basically, let's see, let's go over to the computer. What they're looking for, what we buy, how it works. So that's really important. I would take a look at that. What we're buying: bodysuits, dresses, jeans, pants, long sleeves, rompers, shorts, skirts. So basically all season, and brands like Abercrombie & Fitch, Adidas, Converse, which I have, Lululemon, which I have, Forever 21. So majority of these brands I do have, and of course you want to make sure everything's in good condition and folded, and keep in mind you're the seller, so you want to present your stuff as well as possible so they can be as attractive as possible so they will buy them. It's always great to check out a buyer's website and to give them a call if you want. I'm not going to bother because I kind of have a general idea. Like I said, we'll see how it goes, and I'll see you later. Okay, so I'm here. I was hoping to get a spot that's not as close so people don't look at me or think I'm weird, but I'm gonna go in with my 3 bags of on-trend, seasonally appropriate, clean, folded clothes, making sure to bring my ID. I'll probably be filling out a form because I'm a first-time seller. Now, every Plato's Closet is probably slightly different, and every resale company is probably slightly different, but generally these tips and how it works is the same. I'm curious to see how it'll go, what they will take, what they won't take. And another thing is going during the week, during the morning is probably your best bet, especially during the school year when everyone's in school. I'm here on a Friday afternoon. Wish me the best. I'll see you later and update you. I'm all finished, done now. It roughly took, they estimated an hour, but I think it took less than that because I shopped around and tried on a bunch of stuff. So it probably took 30 to 40 minutes for them to look through, pick out, and price everything. I tried to think about what I actually was looking for if I ended up getting anything back after I sold my stuff. They do just cash, and if you buy something, you put it towards that, so they don't keep a store credit thing, which is good because if they ever went under, not saying they would, but then that would put you in a weird spot. And I ended up picking out 4 different things, which I'll show you later. They took note of my bags, so which was my stuff. At the end of it, I just wanted to see what they picked out, so I made sure to be upfront about that and ask for that because they don't offer it right away. The way they do it, it doesn't encourage you to look into it. And I decided to take one item out. It was a fuzzy vest by the brand Chelsea that was from the store Honey, that was kind of on the higher end, and they were going to give me only $4.90. They categorized it as other brands, so they obviously don't have it in their system. That's the only thing that I took out, so they ended up taking 10 items. They originally were going to give me $57.42, but without that, I think it came back to $52.52. The total that I had to pay after using that money from the items they took, I only had to pay $12.97. And the way I like to think about it is I got those 4 things for $12.97. Overall, I really enjoyed selling at the location that I went to at Plato's Closet. It is a more expensive area. They didn't buy everything that I thought they would, so they're not just looking at the brand names, they are looking at the style, of course, and what will sell. I really liked that they gave reasons as to why they didn't get certain things. So they didn't get my Lululemon brand new pants because they find the wide leg doesn't sell as well. Just my main point would be, there's someone here, so I don't want to talk loud. I think for your main takeaway, my best pointer would be to bring items that are current and on trend and unique in the best way, not in the like weirdo sense way. I mean, everyone's definition of that could be different. But I think that's what they're looking for, of course, is something that's going to sell right away. So think of what you want, and that's probably what they're going to buy. It's just you've already enjoyed it and you want to get something from it. Okay, now for the fun bit where I show you what I purchased from Plato's Closet. First up are these pants from American Apparel in navy with some functional pockets. I think these are going to be perfect for work. Those I got for $12. Next up is this black long sleeve dress from ASOS. It has a long A-line skirt, kind of like a midi length, and I got that for $20. The second dress that I got is from Oak & Fort in this oatmeal color with short sleeves, and this one's actually pretty long, goes to about my ankles. And at first I wasn't really sure about this because it kind of resembles a nightgown, and the color I wasn't sure was going to go with my skin tone, and I've been told that certain things like bodycons and certain colors don't look good on me. But you know what? It's fun to go out of your comfort zone and try something new, and you can always kind of change it to suit yourself. To make this look better on my shorter frame, I'm going to tie it on the side, and I think it'll look really cool. And I got that for $22. The last dress that I got, I'm actually wearing right now. It's kind of got a little bit of a high neck, but it lays flat. It also has short sleeves, and this is more of a kind of bodycon, not too tight, midi length as well, and has a keyhole back. It's from Forever 21, and I got it for $10. I hope me sharing my experience along with my tips and tricks are helpful for you when you're selling your clothes to Plato's Closet. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions that I might not have covered in this video. I'd be happy to answer them. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked, and subscribe if you want to see more of the videos that I make. Make sure to click that bell icon if you want to be notified as soon as I upload. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!